Tired of missing notifications because Chrome kills background sync? Here is how to allow it in 30 seconds. I will show you exactly where to click to enable background sync for any site. Just follow these simple steps. So, first things first. Let us open Google Chrome. Just launch it however you normally would, whether that is from your taskbar, your dock, or your desktop. Now, navigate to the website that is giving you trouble. This is the site where you want to enable background syncing. Maybe it is a messaging app, a news site, or a project management tool. Just type in the address and hit enter. Alright, once the page has loaded, look up at the address bar. See that little icon just to the left of the site URL? It might look like a lock, or an info icon, or maybe a little page. Click on that icon. This is where you find all the quick controls for that specific website. A small pop-up will appear. From that menu, click on the button that says Settings. This will take you to the detailed permissions page for just this one site. Now, here is where we start drilling down. You will see a section called Permissions, but the option we need is hidden behind one more click. Look for the button that says More Site Settings or More Settings and Permissions. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the full list of everything this site can and cannot do on your computer. We are looking for one specific thing in this list. Scroll down carefully until you find the option that says Background Sync, and here's the important part. By default, Chrome sets this to blocked for most sites. That is what is causing your issue. Next to Background Sync, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on it and change the selection from blocked to allow. That is really all there is to it. Once you switch it to allow, Chrome will now let that website fetch new data and send updates even when you are not actively looking at the tab. So you can close Chrome entirely, and the site will still be able to sync in the background. To double-check your work, you can glance back at the same setting. It should now clearly say Allow next to Background Sync. If it does, you are good to go. Now a quick test. Go ahead and close Chrome completely. Then send yourself a test message or perform an action on that website from another device. When you reopen Chrome later, you should see that everything updated while it was closed. If for some reason it still does not work, do not panic. First, make sure you are editing the permissions for the correct domain. Sometimes websites redirect you to a different address. Double-check the URL in the address bar matches the site you actually want to sync. Also, keep in mind that some sites require you to be logged in for background sync to function. And that is it. You have just taken control of your notifications and your data sync. This guide was based on a systematic approach from RenderTest, and it really is that straightforward. Now you will never miss an important update again. Thanks for watching.